Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your KitchenAid mixer to ensure safety during the process. Next, remove the mixing bowl and any attachments. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the screws located on the base of the mixer. There are typically 4 screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off the mixer. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. Now you'll see the motor and the clutch assembly. The clutch is usually located near the top of the motor. Inspect the clutch for any signs of wear or damage. If it appears worn, it's time for a replacement. To remove the old clutch, use the pliers to carefully detach it from the motor shaft. This may require a bit of force, so be patient. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the right advice for your mixer. Once the old clutch is removed, take your new clutch and align it with the motor shaft. Push it down firmly until it clicks into place. Make sure it's secure, as a loose clutch can lead to further issues. After replacing the clutch, it's essential to clean the internal components of your mixer. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help maintain the longevity of your appliance. Now, it's time to reassemble your mixer. Carefully place the top cover back onto the base, ensuring all components are aligned correctly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. If you're feeling uncertain about any part of this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your mixer serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your appliance issues. Once everything is reassembled, plug in your mixer and test it out. Make sure the clutch engages properly and that the mixer operates smoothly. If you encounter any problems, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, changing the clutch on your KitchenAid mixer is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can have your mixer running like new in no time. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.